Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at oil washing. For this exercise I'm going to be using the oil paints French Ultramarine and Burnt Umber to create a weathered look on my aircraft. Here on a mixing palette we have the French Ultramarine and the Burnt Umber. We're going to make a bluey grey with these colours. You'll also need some white spirit, that doesn't affect the paint. Okay, so you're going to want to mix your colours. Use the blue and the brown to get a almost black sort of shade that makes a great dark grimy colour for a dark skinned aircraft or vehicle. Load up some white spirit in a pipette or on your brush and drop that and mix it in. With a high ratio of white spirit to paint to get a good wash consistency. We're going to be applying this onto a gloss surface. I've used Alclad Aqua Gloss liberally to get a smooth surface. When applying the wash you can see that because of capillary action the gloss surface drags paint into the creases and the rivets. I'm going to liberally cover the surface, not worrying about where I get the wash because I can remove it afterwards because of the nature of the oil paint. Make sure to get the wash into all the creases and rivets and panel lines. Like I said before, you can remove it later if you need to. You can vary the colour of the wash by changing the amount of blue or brown that you put on the model. Brown will give it a more dirty effect, whilst the blue will give it a more oily effect. As you can see, the surface is very dirty and mucky from the wash. I'm going to wipe this away in the direction of the airflow to leave only the paint in the recessed details of the model. Be careful to remove any of the wash that you don't want left on any of the surfaces. You can see here slowly I'm removing the paint and it's starting to look nice. I've very nearly removed all of the paint that I don't want. You can see the shine returning to the surface of the model. When I finish this stage I'm going to apply a varnish. I'm going to finish off the wash by sealing in with a varnish. I've created a semi-gloss varnish out of Alclad Aqua Gloss and Winsor & Newton Galleria Matte Varnish. As you can see here, I'm dusting on the varnish with the airbrush. I'm spraying it unthinned at around 20 psi with very little aperture. This will cut the extreme sheen off of the finish and give it a nice warm look. And there you have it, an easy way to apply a wash tool model. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video.